What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Do You Hear Me coming back at y'all another video. And right now we actually on the way to car meet. My boy Stage, Sasha, he having his first car meet. So he hit up all the guys, told us to slide through and just pull up, you know what I'm saying, come through. And then I'm gonna be on the showroom floor. My boy Walt, he gonna be on the showroom floor because we like his main clients when it come to raps, promoting for him and all of that. So he asked us to be on the showroom floor. So shout out to Sasha for that for sure. But yeah, man, we like what, 1, 2, 3. We probably like eight deep right now, like 8 to 10 deep on the way. And then shit, we gonna get there. I know I talked to some of the guys, Blacklisted from out in K-Town. They coming out. It was supposed to be some other people coming, but it is raining right now. The weather is dog water, so yeah, we did get a good group together though. It's not that often that we can get a good group together, so we got a small little group. We on the way right now. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera back on once we actually get to the shop, and we gonna see how many people pop out. Sasha said it was hella people, so Sasha said it was hella people that was supposed to be pulling up. So I don't know how many are actually gonna pull up, but yeah. Let's see what the fuck going on. Oh yeah, they got hemmed up back there, but yeah, he said it was supposed to be hella people showing up. He got a food truck coming. They doing like a contest too. I think it's like a decibel. Who got the loudest decibel car? Best looking car. Hopefully I'll win that one. I need that 350. I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully I'll win that best looking car. And then there's another one too. I forgot the other one, but damn, how the fuck they get hemmed up, bro? It won't nobody in traffic right there. All right, man. Well, I'm gonna turn this camera off because we got to get down the road, and I gotta figure out why these dudes slowing down and some more shit. So let me figure this out, and then I will turn the camera back on as soon as we get to the shop. All right, so he pulling my baby in. He pulling her in. She about to be on the showroom floor. I'm gonna get her all cleaned up and shit. Get her all cleaned up, and just know that boy Gibson snapped on him. Fly M4 on him. That's tough. That's too tough. Alright. All that goddamn shit on there. Nah, well, yeah, what's the name? When we were coming in? All right, man. The boy Gibson ain't seen his car yet. You know what I'm saying? So he about to get his reaction. It's hard. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. I ain't gonna cap. That bitch hard. That bitch hard. That bitch hard. I ain't gonna cap. That bitch is hard. Nigga went 1-on-1 on him. Fly M4 on their ass. Fly M4. The tent strip definitely was mandatory, bro. The tent, it's right there. He got it. Oh, I thought you said you had to get it. Like, yeah, yeah.
I told you, bro. Just give it some time.
That bitch hard.
It's slow.
That bitch is hard. Look. He said it's just slow.
Hey, you don't want to run it though.
You gonna run it? You gonna run it?
No, we stock right now.
He said we start right now. We start right now. We start right now. That bitch clean, boy. That bitch clean. All you need, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The only thing.
Yeah. I said we gotta run it back.
The only thing,
Stripes.
the only
Yeah.
thing you need.
More stripes in the back.
There's only one more thing you need, bro.
What?
You ain't no wheels.
That's
The
it.
rims.
That's it.
Just the rims.
That's it. That's all you need, bro. But she looking good right now. I ain't gonna lie. She looking good.
Literally do not look the same as when that was over.
All right, man. Show y'all we got a California Special 5.0. I want to say that this is a Euro spec, to be completely honest with you, but they already did a swap, so they don't have the Euro tail lights on it. And then just show y'all who pulled up with us. So we do have another thing pulling up. Got another thing pulling up. I think that is it's a 5.0, but it's got a Shelby kit on it. It look good. Then we got with this Integra, I believe. Kia Stinger. No, the Kia Stinger, it's a sleeper. You know they go crazy. GTI, tuned up, done up, looking good. Then you got my boy M3, G80 M3. And then this motherfucker right here go crazy. No, we got that Z06 thing. Z06 pushing like 550 to the wheel. She nasty. So yeah, man, that's pretty much where we at right now. That's what we got. We're waiting for more people to pull up. We actually got Pratt's coming in right now. I'm actually, let me see. He pulling up, dragging on him. Air it out. They really didn't get here that much farther than behind us.
No, but this is the old one.
Yeah. We need to get a legit pit out of this motherfucker. That's what we really need. We need the pit. They got another Beamer pulling up.
Only way you know it's an AMG.
Gotta have that staple.
If you see that stable, then
That's
hey,
how you
look.
know it's that real motherfucker.
Come on, man.
They be selling them shit for $50 on eBay though, bro. Hey, they sell last call badges for $20 on eBay, man. All you gotta do is slap that bitch on there. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? They got Big Swole out here, you know what I'm saying? Please don't make me pull out the scat. Nah, I'm just playing.
What you doing that?
I can't do nothing. It's a Mustang. Okay.
Sweetheart,
We
you can go right here. I'm gonna move.
You going over there? Okay.
Hey, I'm gonna move if she wanna do that right here.
Want to be back to back with the Camaros? All right, man. I'm gonna just show y'all what we got going on out here. Sound good. But we got a Porsche. We got a little Volkswagen over here in the cut. Got the M2. I think it's a RS3. Not exactly sure, but I think it's a RS3.
Thankful for this.
Yeah. It sound good, man. It sound good. And we got the Mopar, you know what I'm saying? Got the Mopar thing outside. Give y'all a little walk through what we got going on. So you got the 2 Series back to back on them. Toyota, the Subi. Subi. And we got the M3 on bags. And we got the Stinger. That Stinger thing. Got the Vet. Y'all see we got them things out here, man. We got them things. GT500. You know what I'm saying? Fastest car here. He got it gutted. He the track master, you know what I'm saying?
Track to it. She fucks track to it.
Hey man, look. There you got the I ain't even peep. M4 in the cut. M4 HP tuners tuned up. This wrap go crazy with the green. I ain't gonna cap. That green go nasty. I think y'all saw this one in my video before. M4. So yeah, man.
He talking to you, man.
Bro, you might have the loudest beamer out here, bro.
But he popping though.
I know.
Popping though.
Got a downpipe in the mid part.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Huh? Am I doing it? No, I know I'm revving out at 120 decibels. I got a rev limiter at 3,000 RPM. That shit is ass, bro.
Put that bitch on launch control.
Yeah, I'm full of trade. He said, what? Hey. Hey.
Nah, it's because I had to do a launch control.
He had to do launch control for the Audi.
Oh yeah.
So I could do the two-step.
He was two-stepping the fuck out that motherfucker, boy. I'm gonna start burning out if I go launch control. It was sounding good, though.
Hey, look, for you, bro, you just need to do a burnout inside. There you go.
I
That's
can't.
decibels right there.
I was like, as far as sound when the shit take off, yeah, my shit might sound loud, but
I can't trust you to hold water now.
he got the fastest shit out here.
Chill.
He be trying to
Bro, this
camp.
nigga big single turbo, fucking edge drive. You trying to get me to blow my shit? No, man.
Hey,
Stage 3, pure trans, bro. Fuck you, bro. Stage 3, pure trans.
Hey, he hit the gas. Help you.
Bro, you seen the manifold on this nigga car? The check engine already on. Y'all seen the manifold? That Bailey manifold?
I didn't even know we were starting a competition, but yeah, it's 3 categories. So we got the exhaust competition going on right now.
How it sound?
Do you hear me? I don't know. It was cool, but I think the American Muscle is gonna win it today.
American Muscle?
100%. You just heard it crank up. There you go.
That G80. Y'all go ahead and tell that boy Petty to tap in with the German engineering, man. Hey, man.
I'm gonna go get my other phone so I can do reels too.
Okay.
I already had my shit going for reels.
But we need you to tap in with the that German engineering, bro. What you thinking?
When y'all like, comment, subscribe, and get me to what we gonna pinpoint it at? Get me to 100,000 subscribers, and this video get 10,000 likes, and I'll go get an M3 tomorrow.
Got the FA2 going next.
said 123? He said 123? 133?
I'm scared, bro.
Yeah, that's a question. You are scared?
I don't know. I'm a little nervous. That's American. I don't know.
I didn't know that Hemi ain't gonna do
I
it.
haven't heard my car yet. So.
120. That sound like, huh?
Is anyone else? Oh, shit.
James? Machst du auch lautestes, oder?
Somebody signed you up? Somebody signed you up?
Oh, no, it's Trey, isn't it?
Oh, Trey, yeah.
E.T.
Oh, Trey.
You got?
Yeah, I'm E.T.
Just confusing the brothers. Come on now. I thought we got
Yeah. If he's ready, can you tell him? I don't know how.
You got a nice little crowd out here, though. I ain't gonna lie.
That shit was close from hitting his lip on that curve.
That's an American muscle, baby. Do you hear me?
You wanted me to answer my car, what? I think they're gonna do it again. They gotta do it again. You broke the style. We're gonna do it again. He in his own property. Yeah.
What's the for sale ticket? I know you posted it. Hey.
Give him the trophy already.
He said, don't get it fucked up.
Crazy over there.
Two-stepping the fuck out of that shit. I missed the S197,
This
bro.
car is so clean, bro. And it's
I'm
built.
about to scare the hell out of that baby. Ain't no way
that
I.
baby right there.
That's
You
a
better
setup.
not ever do a little man like that.
Bro, I would never in my life. I know better.
Hey, you better not hit my car.
Hey, disclaimer: this is gonna be super loud.
I'm the one who's fucked.
Hey, look,
The
for the
baby.
baby. Hey, look, this is gonna be super loud.
He said, oh no. And why y'all want me to get into this conversation?
Do you hear me? Hey, you gotta leave when we leave, bro. I'm trying to see something. I'm trying to see something real quick. Wait, ain't he pro charge?
Not yet. He's going to turbo.